Good morning, students. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I Tapas sir, today going to teach class 4 students English grammar and composition. Today, children, I am going to teach you lesson number 5, nouns and gender. Today's lesson is lesson number 5, nouns and gender. Let's start the lesson. Before that, please stay at home, stay safe, and watch this video regularly at home to know more about the lessons. First, we'll start with types of noun. A noun that refers to male is said to be of masculine gender. Means now noun which shows gender, whether it is male, female, either male or female, neither male nor female. About this lesson is about. So first we will know what is masculine gender. The noun that refers to a male is said to be of masculine gender. Example: boy, father, lion. So these are the three nouns which shows they are male. A noun that refers to a female is said to be of feminine gender. Means the noun which shows that the noun belongs to a female. This is called feminine gender. Girl, mother and lioness are the feminine gender nouns. Next comes the common gender. A noun that can refer to both male and female is said to be of common gender. Baby, cousin and friend, these are the three nouns which can be used for both male as well as female. Baby, cousin and friend. Noun that refers to a non-living thing is said to be of neuter gender. A noun which says about a non-living thing that doesn't have any life, there in that case we cannot say whether it is male or female. Like toy, chair and mountain are three non-living things. In this case they are said to be neuter gender because they are not living and they cannot be distinguished whether they are girl or boy or male or female. Now the exercise A. Underline the noun and put them in proper group in the box given below. Here some sentences, 8 sentences are given. We have to find out the noun and that noun we have to put in this given column below, whether they are masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Let's start with question number 1. The goose laid a golden egg. Goose, a type of bird. It is a male bird. So goose is written in masculine column. Egg is a thing. It cannot be distinguished whether it is a male egg or female egg. That's why L comes under neuter group, neuter gender. Second one, my aunt has 2 daughters. Aunt is a female and daughter is also a female girl. So both of them, aunt and daughter, are written in feminine column. You can see feminine gender, aunt and daughter. Question number 3, the doctor examined the patient carefully. Doctor is a profession. Doctor can be male as well as female. Female doctor also doctor, male doctor is also doctor. So doctor and patient also. Male patient is also patient, female patient is also patient. So both of them comes under common group. That's why they are written in common column, common gender column, doctor and patient. Question number 4, your nephew is a good friend of mine. Nephew is a boy. So it is written in masculine gender column. Friend can be both girl and as well as boy. So friend is a common noun or common gender. So here friend is written in common gender column. Fifth one, Azhar asked his wife to call a plumber. Azhar is a male, boy or man, so it is written in masculine column. Plumber is a common name. It can be used for both male and female case, so plumber is common gender. And wife, female, that's why it is feminine gender. Question number 6, the headmaster called the student to his office. Headmaster is male, that's why it is masculine gender. And student can be both male as well as female, so it is common, the student in common gender column. And office is a non-living thing, it is a noun, that's why it is in neuter gender. Seventh one, the man scolded his son for breaking the cups. Man is male, that's why it is masculine column. Son is also masculine, and cup is a non-living thing, so it comes under neuter gender. Sarla likes to eat chocolate and pastries. Sarla is a girl, so feminine gender. Chocolate is a non-living thing, it is a neuter gender. And pastry is also non-living thing, neuter gender. So I have selected the noun and written in the right column of the gender masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Now we will move on to the next part of the lesson. Here masculine and feminine groups are given. What should be the feminine form of that masculine noun? It is given here. Monk is a male, so feminine gender of monk is none. Shepherd is a male, feminine gender is shepherdess. Emperor or king is a male, feminine gender is empress. Ram, a type of goat, male. Female goat is called Ewe. Waiter, who serves food in the hotel, male. Female waiter will be waitress. Wizard, magician, male. Female will be witch. Gander, bird. Female will be goose. Drake, also a bird. Female will be duck. Deer, animal, masculine. Feminine will be doe. Bridegroom, male. Feminine gender will be bride. Fox, masculine. Feminine gender of fox is vixen. Brother-in-law, it is a male. Feminine gender will be sister-in-law. Now bit number C, replace the noun printed in red with noun of opposite gender. Means the noun which is written in red color, you have to change to the opposite gender of it. If it is a male, change it into female. If it is female, change it into male. First one, my sister is a very talented actor. So sister is red in color, you will change into brother. Answer will be, my brother is a very talented actor. Next, second one, the boy played the role of a king in the play. Boy is in red color, we have to change in the gender. The girl played the role of a queen in the play. So king change into queen, boy change into girl. This cow belong to my aunt. Cow and aunt in red color, so both you can change. Here cow is in red color, so you have to change the cow to the opposite gender. Opposite gender of cow is bull. The sentence will be, this bull belongs to my aunt. Fourth one, the princess fell off the horse. Red color, horse and princess, so you have to change. The prince fell off the mare. Female of horse is mare and male of princess is prince. Fifth one, girls can sit in the women's lawn. Here girls in red color, women's also in red color, so we have to change their gender. Girls will change into boy and women will change into man. Boys can sit in the men's lawn. Sixth one, the shepherd had many sheep. Shepherd in red color, you have to change the gender of it. Female shepherd is shepherdess. The shepherdess had many sheep. The wizard played many tricks on the boy. Wizard, feminine gender will be witch. Witch played many tricks on the boys. The lion lay alone in the den. The lion is in red color. You have to change the opposite gender of lion is lioness. The lioness lay alone in the den. So I have changed the red color noun to its opposite gender. Now bit number D, fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from those given in bracket. First one, we saw a dash waiter or waitress quarreling with her manager. Her it is written means it will be a female. So here waiter is male, female is waitress. The answer will be we saw a waitress quarreling with her manager. Second one, the dash bracket fox or vixen at the zoo gave birth to the little litter of puppies yesterday. So here we have to write the fox is a male, so male cannot give birth, so it will be female, vixen. The vixen at the zoo gave birth to a little litter of puppies yesterday. Next comes the third one, the dash bracket duck or drake laid her eggs in a bush. So actually duck is male, male cannot lay eggs, that's why it will be female duck. The duck laid her eggs in a bush. Fourth one, Ritu's sister's husband is her dash bracket sister-in-law or brother-in-law. Ritu's sister husband, husband means male, so it will be brother-in-law. Fifth one, the dash bracket tiger or tigress licked her cubs. So cubs are licked by generally mother, so it will be tigress. The tigress licked her cub. Here it is given her, her means female, so tiger is not female, tigress is female, so it will be the tigress licked her cubs. Sixth one, little Bo Peep lost her sheep. She was a dash bracket shepherd or shepherdess. So it will be, she means it is a female or girl, so shepherd is a male, female is shepherdess. The answer will be little Bo Peep lost her sheep, she was a shepherdess. Seventh one, dash bracket nuns or monks live in a nunnery while dash bracket nun or monks lives in a monastery. So nunnery is a place where female monks live, that is nun. Nuns live in nunnery while monks generally live in monasteries. Next one, the eighth one, the dash, the witch or wizard flew away on her broomstick. So the actually her it is written means it is a female. So female is wizard, not witch. Witch is male. The witch flew away with her. Actually witch is female and wizard is male. So the witch flew away with her broomstick. Witch will be the female, wizard is male, so it will be witch. So this lesson is over, children. This lesson is about gender, masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine for male, feminine for female, common for both male and female, and neuter for neither male nor female, that is non-living thing. So watch this video repeatedly at home, and if you find any doubt regarding lesson, please tell me. I will surely help you to solve that doubt. God bless you. Bye bye. Have a good day.